Hello, and welcome to Math 100, Liberal Arts Mathematics. My name is Professor Saab Matsumoto of the Mathematics Department at College of the Canyons, and I am here today to introduce you to this course, Math 100. So let me share a screen, a PowerPoint presentation with you. Okay, so who is Math 100 for, and what is it, and how should you learn this course? All right, and so let me go to the next slide. Here is the new course sequence in the math department as of fall of 2019, when we implemented this new bill called AB 705, which has to do with the statewide placement of students. All right, so you can see that we have, let me go from the bottom here, the STEM. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. If you are a major in one of the STEM fields, such as science or computer science or math or engineering, then you would most likely start your sequence of math courses with Math 102, trigonometry, or 102X, which is trigonometry with support. And then you will go to pre-calculus and calculus 1, 2, and 3. If you are a business student, you will probably start at college algebra, which is Math 103, and then go on to take Math 240, which is business calculus. Now, for those who are not business and not STEM, we call them non-B STEM students, then you have a choice. You can go into statistics if your program requires a statistics class, which is Math 140, and here at College of the Canyons, it's a 5-unit course with computers in every classroom. Or if you do not need even statistics, then you are to take Math 100, which is liberal arts math, which is this class. So who should be taking Math 100? Well, basically, it's anybody whose major does not require a calculus course, whether it's a business calculus or math and science calculus class. In other words, if you're a non-business, non-STEM, non-B STEM student, and if you do not need to take statistics, okay? So these students who do not need statistics or calculus can take liberal arts math, which basically is a replacement for a calculus or a statistics class. Now, I have many students in film, music, art, paralegal, hospitality, history, philosophy, theater, languages, culinary arts, and etc. So all of these students who are non-B STEM, whose program does not require a statistics course, can and belong to Math 100. And by the way, Math 100 is a 3-unit math class, which is transferable both to UC and CSU schools. We have an articulation agreement with both of these statewide campus systems. Okay, so what is Math 100 all about? What in the world is liberal arts mathematics? Okay, well, it is basically a practical math course with practical math topics in everyday life. So we will study logic and fallacies, problem-solving techniques, units, conversion, percentages, and numbers. These are some of the basic and most useful things in everyday life. Financial calculations, including compound interest, savings, and most importantly, perhaps loans, such as buying cars and buying houses. And then we study risks, odds, and probability. Statistics. Now, this is not a fully blown statistics course, our 5-unit course, but this is a chapter on the basics of statistics. And then we go into exponential growth, math and the fine arts, particularly music and art, and then math and politics. Okay. The theme of this course is really summarized into these 3 words: don't be fooled, or maybe 2 words: be wise. Okay, what do I mean by that? Well, we live in a world where everybody is trying to fool us or deceive us, or to allow us or persuade us to believe in the way they want us to believe. Okay, so don't be fooled by faulty logic and fallacies. Don't be fooled by deceptive percentages and other numbers, figures, and data. Don't be fooled by very large or very small numbers, or loans that sound too good to be true, because they probably are, too good to be true. Don't be fooled by statistical studies, and there are many of them out there, and news stories using statistical figures. Don't be fooled by exponential growth or numbers that appear in politics. So you can see that this is going to be a very practical course, okay? How are you going to learn this, these materials, these courses, course contents? Well, first, there is a textbook, of course. It is in-house. It is free to download. You can download the entire book free of charge. And so this textbook is readable. And so I highly recommend you read the textbook. There are videos that would help you learn, lecture videos. You can also use lots of Canvas resources. There are many resources that you will find in your Canvas shell. You have inline or online classroom discussion and problem solving. But most importantly, time commitment is the key. Okay, make sure you have enough time, or manage your time wisely so that you have time, sufficient time to invest into Math 100. Points will be given for lecture quizzes. For each lesson or each section of the book, there is a quiz, an online quiz to help you learn. Okay, and by the way, you can take a quiz up to 3 times, and the answer keys will be provided so that you can learn the material on your own. There will be 3 exams: homework, course project, and the comprehensive final exam. All right, more details will be given to you by your instructor for your particular section. If you have any questions, please contact your instructor. Remember, we are here to help you learn how to think and how to solve problems, because really that is at the heart of mathematics. And this course is not just for you to check off your math requirement. This will be a great course, okay? So I hope you will have a great semester, and I hope to see you later. Bye.